Sir, are these yours?
Yeah, it's great, thanks. I appreciate it.
Hey, Mr. Odin, what happened next?
Well, he came at me with a knife and he said something.
He said, don't be a hero.
Don't be a hero?
Yeah.
Anyway, I pulled my piece and I got 3 rounds off.
Guess he didn't realize he was
Look,
messing with the second lieutenant.
I just lived right up here. I saw the whole thing. That's exactly what happened.
Hey, Lieutenant, is that really Sidney Teal?
I'm afraid so.
Jeez.
$500 a day, plus expenses.
Well, I think it's more than fair. He's never had a raise.
I can't authorize an increase like this, Sharona. You're going to have to take this downtown. Talk to Shelley Berger, your pal.
Yeah, that's right. We'll deal with it later.
Can I say something? I'd like to file a complaint against one of your cops.
Excuse me?
There was a cop standing right over there who saw the entire thing. After Archie shot the guy, the cop just turned and ran away.
Did you get a badge number?
I'm afraid I didn't.
Captain!
Captain, is that department policy for a police officer just to flee like that?
I have no comment because it's ridiculous. All right, there is not an officer on this force that would run away from the scene of a crime. It is inconceivable.
Well, I know what I saw. He ran away.
I saw it too. He ran away.
Captain, why would an officer flee the scene? Are you covering something else? What's going on?
Come down.
Captain, what's going on?
Speed limit's 35.
I am going 35.
37, 30, 38 now.
Why couldn't you just hold out for the race? I can't believe you folded like a cheap suit.
Tent. For the record, I folded like a cheap tent.
Did you call Leo Waterman?
I haven't been able to reach him. Yield. The sign says yield.
Hey, there's nobody there. I mean, you're the best detective in the free world and you can't find one deadbeat client?
What's that noise?
It's the alternator.
Why don't you have it fixed? Oh.
Okay, here's plan B. We are gonna solve this case as fast as we can, okay? A billionaire with too much time in his hands went crazy.
I don't know. What about the knee pads?
No. Forget the knee pads. A billionaire went crazy, and that's it. We're gonna take some credit for it this time, get a little publicity, and